Hey everyone, the Hisense M2 Pro Laser Mini Projector represents a significant step forward in portable projection technology, blending compact design with premium performance features. As the smallest and lightest 4K laser projector Hisense has produced to date, the M2 Pro is tailored for users who want a true cinematic experience without being tied down to a permanent setup. It's ideal for anyone looking to take their home theater on the go or simply enjoy big-screen entertainment without dedicating an entire room to it. What sets the M2 Pro apart is its advanced use of AI-enhanced imaging. Hisense equips the projector with AI 4K clarity technology, which encompasses multiple intelligent features aimed at improving visual quality across a range of content types. The AI HDR Upscaler boosts brightness and contrast, making scenes more dynamic and lifelike. The AI 4K Upscaler sharpens lower-resolution media so it appears closer to native 4K, while ADI noise reduction helps clean up grainy or noisy visuals. At the core of the M2 Pro's imaging system is Hisense's pure triple-color laser technology. By using separate lasers for red, green, and blue, the projector delivers a wide color gamut with exceptional accuracy and intensity. Paired with DLP technology and 2.07 million micromirrors, the projector is capable of displaying crisp, true 4K resolution on screens up to 200 inches in size. The visual experience is immersive and vibrant, suitable for everything from blockbuster films to live sports. A standout feature of the M2 Pro is its optical zoom, which offers a throw ratio range of 1.0 to 1.3. Unlike digital zoom that can degrade image quality, this optical adjustment allows users to resize the image while maintaining resolution and detail. This makes the projector highly flexible for different environments, whether you're watching in a compact living room or projecting outdoors on a large screen. Screen sizes from 65 inches up to 200 inches are fully supported. Setup is streamlined and user-friendly. Autofocus and automatic keystone correction ensure that the image is properly aligned and sharp within seconds of powering on. One of the more clever features is the wall color adaptation technology, which adjusts the projected image based on the color of the wall behind it. Sound is another area where the M2 Pro performs above expectations for a portable projector. Built-in Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X provide rich, spacious sound without requiring external speakers. This makes the projector a true all-in-one entertainment solution. Smart functionality is handled by Hisense's VIDAA operating system, which includes support for popular streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Navigation is easy with the voice-enabled remote, giving users quick access to their favorite content. While pricing and availability are still being finalized for various markets, Hisense has confirmed that the M2 Pro will be released soon in the US, Germany, Australia, and other regions. In summary, the Hisense M2 Pro Laser Mini Projector is a compelling blend of portability, picture quality, and intelligent features. With true 4K laser projection, smart upscaling, vibrant color reproduction, and high-end audio capabilities in a compact package, it stands out as one of the most promising portable projectors on the market. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a casual movie lover, or a home theater enthusiast in a smaller living space, the M2 Pro delivers a premium experience without the bulk of traditional projectors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.